So out of all the destinations in Phuket, if I had to pick one, I would personally pick Phang Nga Bay. So Phang Nga Bay is home of the famous James Bond Island. But the thing is, we don't only have James Bond Island in Phang Nga Bay, we have over 40 islands. So that makes it super private because, yes, of course, we have some tour boats and stuff, but we avoid them. So we go to the other islands when the tour boats are there. But one thing I tell you, for example, Panak Island. Panak Island has a beautiful secluded lagoon inside that you can access by dinghy, tender, or by kayak, or sometimes by walking. It depends on the tide again. And what is beautiful about this is that you truly go inside these canals. It's so adventurous, it's so much fun. And if you have kids, they're gonna absolutely love it. And not only Panak, we have other islands like Koh Roy, Koh Kudu. They have special lagoons. That's something I cannot describe. And it's just very, very, very unique. Nothing you will find in the Caribbean, in the Mediterranean, or in Australia. Something truly unique about Phuket, Phang Nga Bay.